Welcome to Learn Lift English. Today, we are learning prepositions, simple words like in, on, and at, used in daily English to talk about place, time, and direction. Let's lift your English step by step. What are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. Most often, they tell us place, time, or direction. For example, the book is on the table. She was born in 2001. Meet me at the bus stop. Preposition in. In is used when something is inside something else. This can be a place, container, city, country, or period of time. Rules and examples. Inside a place or container. The keys are in the bag. She is in the room. Inside a city, country, or area. I live in Paris. He works in the Netherlands. Periods of time, longer durations. I was born in 2000. She moved here in December. We will finish the project in 2 weeks. Preposition on. On is used when something is on a surface or refers to specific days or dates. Rules and examples. On a surface. The book is on the table. There is a painting on the wall. My phone is on the desk. Specific days or dates. We have a meeting on Monday. Her birthday is on July 15th. The party is on New Year's Eve. Technology and devices. I saw it on TV. He is on the phone. Preposition at. At is used for a specific point, place, or exact time. Rules and examples. Exact place or location. Meet me at the bus stop. She is at home. He is at the entrance. Exact time. The train leaves at 9 o'clock. We will meet at noon. Special points. She is at the top of the mountain. They laughed at his joke. Quick comparison table. In. We use in for inside something, a city or a country, and a long time. For example, in the room, in Paris, in December. On. We use on for a surface, a day or date, and technology. For example, on the table, on Monday, on TV. At. We use at for an exact place, an exact time, and a special point. For example, at the bus stop, at 9 o'clock, at the top. Practice sentences. Fill in the blanks. If you are finished, it's my turn. The cat is in the box. We have a test on Friday. I will meet you at 6 p.m. The picture is on the wall. She lives in London. He is waiting at the station.